Hi everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious appams, a traditional South Indian pancake. Appams are light and fluffy, and they're perfect for breakfast or a snack. Let's make the batter. In a blender, add the following ingredients: 2 cups rice flour, 1 cup cooked rice, 1/2 cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons yeast, 1 teaspoon salt. Gradually add water and blend until you have a smooth batter. Transfer the batter to a bowl and cover it with a lid. Let it ferment in a warm place for 30 minutes. Let's make a chutney for our appams. In a blender, add the following ingredients: 1/3 cup coconut, 1/4 cup ground nut, 1/4 cup roasted chana, 2 dry red chilies, 2 green chilies, 1/2 an onion chopped, 1/2 a ginger chopped, a sprig of curry leaves, handful of coriander leaves, 1/2 a lemon squeezed, salt. Blend until coarse. Transfer the chutney to a bowl, add some water, and mix well, and the chutney is ready. Now that the batter has fermented, it's time to cook the appams. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add a ladleful of batter and swirl it around to form a thin layer. Cook the appams until golden brown in color. Serve hot with the chutney. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for appams. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipe ideas. I would also love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.